Hi, and welcome. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the bolt joint macro for CATIA V5 R21, a powerful automation tool that simplifies the creation of bolted connections in just a few clicks. When you launch the macro, you're greeted with a clear and intuitive interface. One of the first things you define is the type of connection, either Type 1 or Type 2. Based on your selection, the macro automatically includes the right components for the joint, such as washers and nuts. After choosing the bolt, you simply click Generate Type 1 or Generate Type 2, and the macro does the rest, inserting all necessary parts and applying proper CATIA constraints to position them precisely. This portion of the macro is also flexible and can be customized further depending on your specific workflow or customer requirements. Each component in the joint, bolts, nuts, and washers, can be filtered by standard, size, length, and material. This makes it easy to find exactly what you need without scrolling through endless options. Depending on your working style, you can use the Create Assembly command to build a complete subassembly, or you can insert selected components into an existing product using the Insert function. When using Create Assembly, the macro automatically generates a name for the new product based on the selected bolt, helping you stay organized within your CATIA project. The interface is designed to be lightweight and user-friendly, but also highly expandable. New commands and features can easily be added to suit your specific needs. In just a few steps, the bolt joint macro allows you to build a fully constrained, standard-compliant connection, saving time, reducing manual effort, and improving consistency across your assemblies.